Hello, this is Matthew Christian from Tampa, Florida, and on behalf of Expert Village, today we're here to talk about cordless nail guns. This model, Cordless Nailer, comes with an adjustment. And what that adjustment is the depth or flush setting of your nail. There may be in some cases where you're nailing to a very hard wood and the nailer's not driving the nail deep enough, where the nail may be sticking out of the surface of your wood. Or there may be some instances where the nailer is driving the nail too deep. Well, there's a setting for this, and it's right here. It has little arrows to show you. You can turn this adjustment that way to get more of a flush nail, meaning flush, the nail is close to the surface of the board. Or you can go deeper by adjusting the dial in this direction, and that will drive the nail deeper into the wood that you're attempting to affix.